another quick update video. I can run this system on just one wire. So here's the negative, and it's very sensitive to tuning. I just touch it, it shuts off. So this center unit is the transmitter coil, and these coils around it pick up the energy. These coils have to be a quarter the size of the transmitter to receive the most effective energy. So this is the primary, which is also a quarter the size of the transmitter. That's very important. And it sets up a signal when you get it tuned right. And look at that, when I touch it, it gets brighter. And it doesn't consume more power on the source. And you can see it gets brighter when I touch it. I'm beginning to think that little capacitor on the pickup coils isn't necessary. It might be better to switch it to a bigger one. And I got these LEDs running too off the pickup coils. I think this was the one. Yeah, this, see? It goes out and the range is impressive too. Shut it off to show that there's no tricks anywhere. Signal generator's plugged in right here. I can disconnect it, everything will shut off. 3, 2, 1. It all shuts off. Signal generator, everything's off. No tricks underneath, it's just my toolbox. Nothing is under here. Quick room tour. It's a bit messy. I'm in the middle of renovating it, wood floor. I also build computers. But yeah, I'll turn this on and retune it. Channel 2 always comes on by accident. Don't want that. Channel 1. We'll do wave. It has to be a pulse wave. Voltage needs to be 20. And we will start tuning the frequency. And you should see it come on once it's in tune. Okay. Now it's time to fine tune it. I think it was right 420 and it takes a minute to come on. Does it? I have to get the tuning just right. Oh, there it is. Once you get the tuning just right, it comes on. So that's a frequency of 1.460 megahertz, pulsed DC. And there's no load on the source. And it's also being run off of just one wire of the signal generator. See? Just the positive of the signal generator will be connected. And it will run. If I connect the negative cable as well, it also gets brighter. It gets much brighter. But we consume power, more power, when the meter begins to go up. But if I disconnect the negative, our power consumption drops. And it should still run, yeah. Yeah, look at that, that is amazing. Wireless pickup coil. That's running the LEDs on the breadboard. There's a very strong magnetic field here. interesting. No tricks, no nothing. Again, I'll unplug it and it will shut off. Try and get a good view way back here. The signal generator, you can see the cord right into the back of the signal generator. I unplug it, it goes off. Plug it back in, then I gotta retune it. I think it was 1,000,004 something. Tuning. Ooh, we're coming up. There we go. Oop. And 5.2 watts of power. I'll unscrew this. Drops to 5.4.6. Very interesting. I wonder how you can get more power from it. 5.2, 4.6. I need to see how much power this can. I think this can only give out 1.8 watts maximum, but I don't even have the negative hooked up. And when I do, it uses more power. See, it gets much brighter. I didn't even tune it yet. Anyway, it's interesting to run it with no negative connection. Maybe hook the negative to a separate coil. And I'll show how the pickup coils are made.